Hello guys, welcome to Dream with Tech, where big dreams are valid. So today I'm going to teach you on how to convert a Word document into a PDF using Python. It's just one line of code or two or three. It's just a simple step. So what you are required, the module you are required so that you can convert a Word document into a PDF is docx to PDF. This is the module you are going to install using your Anaconda pip install docx to PDF. So you can just copy this, then paste it on your Anaconda environment, and ensure your environment is activated. So to activate an environment, you just write activate data. For my environment, mine is data environment. You can just use base, which is pre-installed using when you're installing Anaconda. So you can get the environment list you have on your computer using Coda list. It will highlight all the environment you have created on your Coda environment. So what you are going to do is to install the docx2 PDF. So paste the command that we copied from our text editor, or just type in pip install docx2 PDF. It takes like 1 to 2 minutes, then we'll be done. So when you're waiting for for module or the package to install, you can see mine was already installed. That's why the output is reading requirement already satisfied. So what you are going to do after it's done, you take the name of the Word document you are going to sorry you are going to use on your program. So copy the name. So I'm copying the name docx. So use the package name docx2 PDF, then paste the name of the Word document so that it can be converted into a PDF, and the output of the PDF will be on the same path with the Word document. So after some few seconds, it's done. As you can see, 100%. So we head back to where the Word document is. As you can see, we have a doc.pdf. That's the name of the PDF we just created. And we can see it here, doc.pdf. And when you open, it's a valid PDF that someone can easily read. That's all to convert our document into a PDF using Python. So guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.